Hey my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys my BOXYCHARM for July 2020. I'm really excited. The box came a little bit beaten up somehow during postal. I don't know why it came like this, so it's a little banged up. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm really excited to share with you guys the July box. Finally, so we're gonna get right on into it. So the theme for July's was sunshine, and it has like definitely like this poolside, oceanside kind of vibes. The card. So the products are on the back. So as always, I will read off in order of how they came, and I will make sure to have prices and links down below for you guys, so you can check them all out. So I will give you a little sneak peek of what's in here. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing in this box is my product of choice. So as you guys know, I am always super excited with product of choice. So the product of choice that I picked is the Clean Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This is $49.95. This is quite an expensive product. They are cruelty free, which I will say that is amazing. They are cruelty free. I sometimes, when I do the product choice, I try to make sure that they're always cruelty free. Sometimes it's always hard to tell on their website if they are cruelty free or not, because not everybody lists it very you know, it doesn't like really stand out if it is you know, it's usually found like in their Q&A section asking about if it is cruelty free, instead of just saying, you know, if their products are cruelty free or not. So I'm glad this is cruelty free. The bottle is really cool looking. It is this glass type of bottle, and it is a dropper. So the bottle is just this dark navy blue, and it just ombres out to like a clear at the bottom. It is a really cool product. It says this is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts that come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging, which that's amazing, because we all need to be taking care of our skin, because it is going to age and we want to make sure it looks good in the future. So this is what it looks like. I want to show you guys the dropper. I'm using other products right now, so this is okay. So here's what the little dropper looks like. Ooh, it smells nice. That's really nice. Yeah, I do smell a little bit of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea. I think some notes are a little bit more potent than the others. I don't think this is it's not a super strong scent, but I think you can tell which I think is the kind of like star in this. I smell mostly kind of like the watermelon green tea for the most part. But this is really nice. I'm really excited. This is a really cool product. I'm really excited to try when I'm done using my other stuff that's taken 1,000 years. It feels like it doesn't go quick enough when you have all of this stuff building up. But I'm trying to get through it. All right, so this product I'm definitely not going to be using, not keeping. I'm probably going to send it to my aunt, because I think she probably would like this more than me, because I don't do my brows. I'm kind of happy with the way my brows naturally look. I don't really wax them. I got them waxed a little bit when I was younger, like middle school and my like early high school years. But I really haven't waxed them since, and I really don't have anything that overgrows. They just look this way all the time, so I feel like I don't need to fill them in. They kind of look already nicely full. But this is from Hourglass, which I've never gotten anything from Hourglass before, which this is kind of cool and exciting. This is their Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. It's $28. It's in the shade, I don't even, oh, what's the shade? What's the shade? I don't even know if there's a shade. Maybe if I open this little guy up, I can find the shade on here. So here's what it looks like. So here's what this little pencil looks like. So this end would be the micro little pencil product. I'm not gonna open this or anything. And then this side is the little spoolie. How cool. I'm not gonna open this, but it says it's an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for micro blade worthy effects without the blade. It's a 1.4 millimeter tip, provides complete control for naturally defined brows. I feel like this would be great for some people. This has this dark brunette. I think I'm gonna send this to my Aunt Danielle. I feel like maybe this might work for her. So I'll see. I think this is cool, but it's just definitely not something I need in my life right now. So yeah, that's what I got for that. The next little thing right here is from Beauty. Beauté. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. It's in the cute little, it's in the little bubble wrap. They're cruelty free as well. I think for the majority, all of these products are cruelty free. I'm pretty sure all of them are. Pretty sure Hourglass is cruelty free. But this is their Bronzed in Paradise palette. So here's what it looks like. It is $30. The packaging looks really cool. It's very kind of like, gives me like boho chic kind of vibes. So I like the little floral print on here. This has a mirror, a little plastic. So here are the bronzer shades. I don't wear bronzer. I am not really someone who bronzes. So I don't own any bronzer, to be quite honest. I do blush, highlight, and I'm foundationing my face. About bronzer, no. And I really don't see myself really using these types of bronzer shades. So I'm definitely going to pass this on to a friend who probably would enjoy this more than me. So I'm definitely going to pass it to one of my girls. So yeah, I don't really find myself using this. I think this would be great even if you didn't bronze. I think this would make a nice eyeshadow palette that of really big brown different shade tones if you wanted to be very neutral looking in your eyeshadows and stuff. But it's just not me. So even though this is cute, it is really nice and stuff, it's just like not really me. And I've gotten products from them and they just haven't been me. Like I've gotten past products from them in my BOXYCHARM and stuff, and it just hasn't been like my shade tones. Okay, so these I'm actually really excited for. These are Grace and Stella. I never heard of this brand, but I like the name, Grace and Stella. I would love to know who those little ladies are. But these are the anti-wrinkling and energizing eye mask, and you get 12 pairs in this box for $21. And I am super pumped about that. I'm really excited about it. It says, suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes? Perk them up as if you had an 8-hour sleep. With these masks, they revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. I like that. And this little packaging is so cute. It kind of is like this white fading into like this pink. So definitely me. $21 for 12 pairs of these. That is quite insane. They're cruelty free, which is amazing. And they're vegan, paraben free, and sulfate free. So amazing. So I will show you a little pack. This was wrapped in a little cellophane, but I already took it off, so we would save some time. So here's what they look like. They're gold and they're so cool looking. Look at all that juice flowing in there for these. That's quite intriguing and awesome. Oh, I'm quite happy with these. I can't wait to pamper myself using these so I don't have tired looking eyeballs underneath. Oh my gosh, we don't want bags. Us girls do not need to look tired. We want to look nice and awake and youthful. So super excited about these. And the last thing is something else I will not be keeping because I don't use liquid eyeshadow. I had tons of liquid eyeshadows and I was like, I don't use these. I don't care for them. Why do I have them? Why am I buying them? So this is from Beauty by POPSUGAR. I think I used to get, I don't know, did I used to get this? I think I used to get, stuff like this in my Ipsy bag a long time ago. This is their Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow in You Glow Girl, number 3. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of cool looking. I like the little flower. They're cruelty free. But even though it does look really pretty and metallic looking, this little beauty right here, it's $23 for this little tiny little bottle. It says you're supposed to shake this up, so it looks very kind of metallic-y, rose gold looking. It says if mermaids made makeup, this would be it. A magic water that washes liquid color over your eyes and dries fast. Use Make Waves to deposit shimmer directly on the lash line or build bolder colors on lids for a 3D effect. Any way you wear it, it's bound to make a splash. Don't you just love these descriptions of products? I do want to show you kind of what it looks like, even though I'm not going to use it. It has a bit of a smell, which is kind of strange. But it is a dope little applicator. I'm not going to swatch it because I want to give it to somebody brand new and untouched. But it does look like a little bit of this like metallic-y rose gold type of shade. So it's nice, but just like doesn't work for me. I don't really care for liquid eyeshadows, so sorry. I think this month's box was pretty good. I liked everything except for 3 products that I can't use, but I'm very excited about these. These are so cool and I will definitely be using it. I've been getting into a whole lot of skincare lately, so I've been saving a whole lot of bunch because I'm still trying to work through what I have. But I am just trying to be, you know, quite selective of what I'm actually going to use and know I'm going to like it. So while it is nice getting these and trying to explore new products, it's just like I know what I like, and it's kind of winding down to that point where I'm just like, I don't know. But I'm very happy to use these products when I'm ready. So yeah, I'm gonna have the whole box total cost right here so you can see how much this month's box was worth. And I'm very happy and excited about all of these things. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sending you all lots of love, and until next time, have a beautiful and magical day. I love you all. Bye.